In the upper right-hand corner, the upper left-hand corner of McCullen's copy of The Lost Daughter, there is a stationer's embossed stamp, which you're looking at here. It's the Plattner and Porter Paper Company, Farmington, Connecticut. This is a image of the Capitol building in Washington. There's a dome on top of it you can't see very well here. And underneath it says Congress. The word Congress appears there. This is a watermark of this company. It's on this piece of paper. Now, none of the other papers that we've shown you, and none of the papers that have come out of General Lee's headquarters during the Sharpsburg campaign that have been preserved in different depositories contain this watermark. So this also marks this as an unusual piece of paper. It's not like all the other paper available. It is a fact that Custis Lee had access to this type of paper. The Virginia Historical Society has in its possession a 300-page manuscript written in Custis Lee's handwriting of a biography of his grandfather. It's all written on this paper, and this embossed stamp is very, very, very well preserved. Unfortunately, the Virginia Historical Society will not allow you to photograph the watermark. It's a secret. It's not available to you. You can look at it, but you can't photograph it. It's a very sad situation when we have depositories that behave in that manner. Now, the Virginia Historical Society is a private foundation, and I guess it can do whatever it wants. In any event, that's an important factor. Now, it cuts both ways. It could have been a third party stole the original from McCullen's property and used this paper to write out this forgery. But I doubt the forger would have used pencil and would have gone to such lengths to make the document look like a draft by allowing mistakes to be made in it that were clear. Like the business about the cavalry, follow the main body of the cavalry and cross that out. That's not something you'd expect forgers to do. It doesn't really make any sense because you have nothing to compare it to. You never would have known that the original document contained that kind of a mistake. So the mistakes in the document point to the fact that it's authentic, and the existence of this watermark suggests that it's being used outside the normal course of the staff's work, which also supports our theory. Now, it's also true that at the Library of Congress, it's claimed that the document was found inside this envelope. This is the handwriting of McCullen's executor. The statement is made, this is the original of the order that was given to McCullen. Now, that doesn't change the reality that anybody at any time after McCullen's death and during the 25 years that this document remained in the warehouse, somebody can go in there and take it and replace it. But again, it's some evidence that we can point to, along with the stationer's stamp, along with the crude way in which the order is drafted, that points to it being authentic.